Hey, from Sudhanshu. In this video, I will showcase newly introduced ChatGPT search feature from ChatGPT. That is, first of all, you will have to go into ChatGPT, chatgpt.com. I'm typing this URL in the description for you to directly go and click on it. Once you are on the URL, then in the prompt box, you will have to type the query that is something like show Google Workspace partner in Chandigarh. Press enter key for it to search on the web. Now what's the difference is that instead of going to the large language model, it's going to the search engine bing.com. Here it is, bing.com, and from the bing.com it is fetching the result and then showing you the output. However, the output is certainly biased because the first result is of Nandavat Consultancy Services. It has fetched it and shown Gona as the first research result. But however, the research result is based on the bing.com results instead of google.com or entire web altogether. So instead of using the large language model, which is present over here on the top right, it is searching the web of bing.com and then showing you the results. So if your website is not listed or the data is not listed on the bing.com, it will not be presented to the users. Let me showcase another showcase using use case to you. Something like testing for analytics.in. Now this is the website which has not been listed on bing.com. So it shows different kind of results. Here it is. But eventually if you type this URL in the description bar, you will find that there is a website named with this URL. Yeah, here it is. Well, that's what I wanted to convey. ChatGPT search is another feature that has been introduced by ChatGPT today. Search the web. Have a good day. Bye bye.